Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below. It will help the channel grow. In this video tutorial, I'll teach you how to do deposit and withdrawal on Liquid Pro exchange. Liquid Pro is a secure, advanced crypto trading platform for traders, professional, and institution with powerful API, high liquidity, and low fees. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Check video description for the sign-up link and get 10% trading fee discount every time you trade. Alright, let's open the app. Here's how Liquid Pro dashboard looks like, where you can see your total account value, current equity, and profit and loss. Below will be the ranking list of tokens and your favorite trading pairs that you have saved. Now, let's get to the topic. For you to deposit and withdraw your funds on Liquid Pro, tap on Menu tab and click on Funds. Under Funds, you'll see your available balance and the token you currently have. Underneath will be the deposit and withdraw buttons. To check tokens, tap on Show or Hide all zero balances. You can also search for the token by typing on the search bar. Let me look for Ethereum. Let me show you first how to deposit. For you to add fund, tap on Deposit. You can scan the QR code or copy your wallet address. For you to cash out, just tap on Withdraw. Paste your external address here and the amount you want to withdraw. Underneath, you'll see the withdrawal fee and the minimal withdrawal amount. If it's your first time withdrawing on a specific wallet address, Liquid Pro will require you to verify it to confirm the address. In verifying the address, here are the following steps. First is add the address by scanning the QR code or pasting it. Second will be request a token, which you need to click on the button Request Token. Third will be to check your email for confirmation token. And lastly, confirm the address by putting the code. Let me give you another sample. Let's try Celsius token. Below will be the deposit and withdrawal button. You can also see here your cash out history. Tap on deposit to add fund. Scan the QR code or copy the address. And withdraw to cash out from your wallet to a different wallet. On my end, it's already showing an address as I have already added it before. Just input the amount you want to withdraw and hit Next. You can also deposit token by doing token swap or exchange on Liquid Pro. To do that, go back to your menu tab and tap on Buy or Swap. Here, you can purchase token directly using your debit or credit card. They support multiple fiat currency to choose from. For example, let me choose Canadian dollar to USDC. Here, you'll see the total card fee and the exchange rate. You can also swap tokens on the Liquid Pro app. Just tap on Swap. Alright, that's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and hit notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.